we may just be seeing some cracks between the Deegans and Star Racing Yamaha. Now, if you missed the news yesterday, coming from RaceRex Online, saying, quote, according to Star Racing founder Bobby Reagan, Deegan is already going plenty fast and looks capable on the big bike. So now the team has given him the green light to race one in the AMA Pro Motocross Championship at Budds Creek National Finale if he can wrap the 250 title early. Now, as far as I've seen, he was having a 450 race bike built because obviously the fully factory side or fully factory built bike is going to be much different than what you can buy from just the showroom floor. Exhaust, all the little trick parts that the teams build, put on these things. It's a much different side of things than just what you can go buy. As far as I know, he's never actually ridden a fully factory 450, so this was, who knows, a training thing. Let's see where I'm going to be for, motocross next year after defending the 250 Supercross title. As far as I know, it's 450s outdoors for next year. But here's where the funny thing becomes. That was yesterday. And today, Jason Wygant, right there, said yesterday we posted at RaceRex Online that Hayden Deegan will race 450 at MX Final if he clinches 250 title early. Deegans have said it's fake news. Maybe Star team owner Bobby Reagan called Davey Coombs and said it's happening and we can post it. So where this came from. So if the team owner is saying, yes, he is going to be racing it, but the rider and his family is saying no, or it's fake news, who knows? Is this a PR thing? If this is, we wanted to announce it ourselves, is it we wanted to put it on our YouTube channel so that, we get the views? But even his own mechanic right there, green light from the team, doesn't mean green light from Hayden. And you got to say, he has more to lose than to gain from this. Because if he goes into the 450 for the last round, the finale, let's say he absolutely tanks it. Jet Lawrence is in prime running speed like he has been all year, and he puts 30 seconds on him. Doesn't look good. I mean, yes, you have to put the little asterisk of it doesn't matter. It's, barely any time on a 450 training. It's one race. It's not a positive or a negative, but it's a negative look. All the talk of he's going to be the competition for Jet Lawrence for the next 10 years. He's going to be. After this year and actually getting a full training time on the 450, you have to expect that he's going to be the one to test and compete with Jet Lawrence. But if you get maybe a few weeks, a month or something of training on the 450, it doesn't provide anything. It's one round. You go out there. If you look really good, if he comes out and he's on the podium, or if he's going for an overall win, or if he even wins a race, it's going to look incredible. And the super cockiness is going to come out, and as it should. But you can also kind of say if it's, both titles are wrapped up. If Jet Lawrence has the 450 title, is he really going to race super hard for the last round to try and beat Deegan when it doesn't matter? Who knows? Maybe yes, just because, you want to say, hey, look, I'm still the fastest guy. Doesn't matter when he comes up. I'm going to beat him as I did right here. If you're Deegan, you can play the card of, I didn't have any time on the bike. This was just something we did on a whim, and it was for fun. I already have the 250 title. Who cares? Why race one more round? It's just one of those things. I've seen a lot of people say it's bigger chance of injury. I mean, you have a chance of getting injured racing the 250s going slow, so that doesn't really matter. The one freak accident can end anything, so racing a 450 over a 250 is really not going to be that much of a difference, at least from my side of things or my mind of things. But now it's just the part that you've got apparently the team owner saying he's doing it, but also the family and the mechanic saying, he might not, or it's fake news, or, he said we can, but we haven't decided. It's going to be one of those weird splits thing now. Like, obviously he's going to be racing for the team next year. So if things start going bad now and next year, you got to stick with him, is this going to be a negative for him staying with Yamaha? Is this just a, fight within the 250 side of things? It's strange. Why would you not have talked to the family and the rider before you come out and say he's doing it? I mean, obviously, as the team owner, you can say whatever you want. Sure, let him go do it. We're giving him the green light. Or he could literally just be saying he has the green light to do it. He could have just been, misinterpreted and not saying he's actually doing it. I don't know. I don't know. It's the fun side of things that we just get to talk about the who's and what's and ifs and buts. But comment down below. You guys tell me. Do you think he's going to actually do the last round on the 450? Do you think he should? If he does, how well do you think he finishes? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things the platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.